Today I'm making a stamp set for my nephew to mail his Christmas list to Santa. I'm also making a little greeting card that gives the illusion that Santa wrote it. Of course, it has to rhyme and be jelly, and that took about 10 minutes to figure out and write the wording, which I'm absolutely in love with. It took 20 minutes to create the stamps and then 30 minutes to create the Santa stationery note. Lastly, it took 15 minutes to print, cut, and package everything. I really hope they enjoy sending letters to Santa. It was so much fun to make these, and I hope you're inspired to make something jolly and festive for this holiday season.